Opening LinkedIn app in Android mobile. Select LinkedIn user. Do a quick security check. Pick the image that is the correct way up. Once verification completed, it is saying your account is restricted. Please check LinkedIn help online for more information. Your account is restricted. Solution: go to LinkedIn homepage, sign in with email and password. Now you can see the screen. Access to your account has been temporarily restricted. Click verify your identity. Choose your country and click continue. Verify with Persona. Accept and continue. Agree to these terms and conditions and click accept and continue. Position yourself in the center of the camera and then move your face left and right to show both sides. Upload any one of these ID. You can upload driver license, passport, national ID, voter ID or PAN card. I selected driver license ID and I'll upload both photo of front and back side of the driver license. Finally, you can see this message: thank you for verifying with Persona. We are working to restore access to your account as soon as possible. While we try to follow up within 48 hours, it may take as long as 5 days. After that, I can access to LinkedIn account. Subscribe.